Hi, I'm Jim, and this is Jim's Fix-It Shop. And today, I'm a day late. I was busy yesterday, but we're going to give away this Parrior cordless screwdriver. If you haven't seen the video, it's video number 484. And I've got 21 people that applied to win this or registered to win this. Let's see which one this little phone picks out for me. Pick a number between 1 and 21.
It's 8.
Hopefully you can see that. Number 8. Derek. Well, let's give him a call and see if he's at home. I know this is a bad day. They're probably not home, but let's find out. Oh. Uh-oh.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system. 7.
Well, I guess we'll have to try later, and or maybe tomorrow. It is Sunday today. So I'll be back. Hang on. Okay, let's try to get a hold of Derek again. Now it's Tuesday, and I've been trying for 3 days. Let's see if I can find his number and just hit redial. There we go. And we'll see if he answers this time. Third time's the charm, right? Maybe he's gone on vacation.
Hello.
Is this Derek?
Yep.
This is Jim's Fix-It Shop.
Oh, Jim.
I've
been seeing your call on here, and I've been missing it.
Yeah, I've been trying to get a hold of you. Do you remember why I'm trying to get a hold of you?
Yeah, you probably won something, but...
The rechargeable screwdriver from Parrior.
Oh, okay.
That was video number 484.
Yep, I remember that.
So what I need from you now is email me your complete name, address, and phone number. No, I don't need your phone number anymore. And zip code, and I'll get this thing sent out to you.
Okay, that's cool. Thank you.
Yep.
I'll send you an email right now.
Okay, sounds good.
I guess I'll have to mark your name in here so I'll know who it is, because I get so many calls that are basically calls.
I do too. If I don't know them, I don't normally answer them.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, we'll talk to you soon.
Thank you.
Yep, bye.
Bye.
Well, finally, we got rid of this screwdriver to its rightful owner. Now, if you've stuck around and watched this whole video, I am going to let you sign up for the next drawing, which will be September, I've got my page all messed up here, September 9th. We're going to give away this Chica paint sprayer, but we're going to do something a little different. We're going to start having the winners pay some of the postage. The shipping is getting pretty expensive, sending some of this stuff back and forth. So this is what we're going to give away. And again, all you have to do to register is send me an email to jimsfixitshop@gmail.com. This will be September 9th, 2024. I got to keep putting the date in there because, or I should say the year, because I've had people try to sign up for way past giveaways. But just send me an email titled giveaway or Hichika paint sprayer, just something so I can identify it from all the rest of the emails I get. And we'll see if we can find a winner for that. So until next time, work safe, have fun, and I'll talk to you soon. So long.